In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your business, trading, or legal name in Xero. Whether you're updating your business details due to a rebranding or simply need to rectify earlier information, making changes in Xero is straightforward. Let's walk through the process together. First, you'll need to open the Xero website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the drop-down menu. You can usually find this in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. It's a primary access point for managing various settings and personalizing your experience within Xero, so finding it is key. Once you've opened the drop-down menu, your next destination is Settings. Go ahead and click on that. The Settings page is a hub for all organizational and personal preferences and is where you'll find the tools to manage your account's finer details. Now, from within the Settings area, you want to click on Organizational Details. This section of Xero is crucial because it's where all of your company's key information is stored, including the business, trading, and legal names. This page ensures that everything tied to your company's identity is up to date and accurate in Xero's system. Here, in the Organizational Details section, you can make your changes. You'll see various fields where your current information is displayed. If you're here to update your business or legal name, you can click into those fields and replace the existing information with the new names you'd like to use. Besides your business or legal name, you also have the option to edit your display name in this section. The display name is often used for more informal company interactions within Xero. However, keeping it aligned with your official business name can be very beneficial for consistency across communications. After you've entered all the necessary changes, it's essential to take one final step. Click Save. You'll usually find the Save button at the bottom of the page. This is a crucial part of the process because your changes won't take effect unless they are saved. So take a moment to review everything to ensure accuracy before clicking. Once saved, your Xero account should reflect the new information immediately, and you can return to other accounting tasks with your updated business identities. Thank you for following along on how to change your business or legal name in Xero. I hope this guide was clear and easy to follow. Remember, keeping your Xero account updated with the correct information is vital for maintaining professionalism and ensuring smooth operations. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.